Hello friends, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about imagery. What is imagery and what are the types of imagery? But if you are new in this channel, do subscribe my channel for the latest videos about English and other interesting subjects. Imagery. It is a word or phrase in literary text that appeals to the reader's state like taste, touch, smell, hearing, sight, or visually descriptive or figurative language, especially in a literary work, means it is visually descriptive or figurative work in literary work. And if we talk about the types of imagery, the first one comes, that is visual imagery or image. What you can see like visual descriptions, physical attributes including color, size, shape, lightness and darkness, shadows. It is also called sight image. Means it relates with our sight. Like examples are size, shape, lightness and darkness, shadows. So these all relates with our eyes, with our sights. And the second one is gustatory imagery. It engages the sense of taste, what you can taste. It includes flavors like sweet, salty, bitter, sour, umami. So it is what it is, gustatory imagery, which is also called taste image. And the third one is tactile imagery. It engages the sense of touch that you can feel and includes textures and the many sensations a human being experiences when touching something. Difference in temperature is also a part of tactile imagery. So tactile imagery is also called what? It is also called touching imagery. And the fourth one, what is auditory imagery? It engages the sense of hearing and in the thing sound. And in it, the thing sounds like literary devices such as onomatopoeia and alliteration. Now, what is onomatopoeia? Like a word whose sounds imitates its meaning. Now, roar, R-O-A-R, roar is what? It is the sound of lion. So it is what? It is onomatopoeia. And the second point which is there, that is alliteration. Alliteration means it is the repetition of initial consonant sounds. Its example can be taken like Mike's microphone is making much noise. Now Mike's microphone is, now Mike's, there is M at the start, microphone, there is M at the start. So it is what? This consonant is making, there is again M at the start, much noise, M is again in much at the start. So it is what? It is alliteration. And if you alliteration can help create sounds in writing like shout, scream, listen, whisper, ring. So it also relates with our hearing. And the last one, what is olfactory imagery? It engages the sense of smell like dirt, grass, manure, roses, sweet, rotten, and stinkly. So it relates with our what? With our sense of smell. So it was topic about imagery and types of imagery. If you have liked this video, do subscribe channel and share this video with your friends. There's been a like video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.